Hi, everybody. This is Miss O, and I'm your teacher. How are you? Are you excited? I'm sure you are that summer is coming soon. Behind me, there's like a bag of clothes. If anybody would like me to bring it in and you can go through it and see if there's anything you want, let me know and I'll bring it in. Okay. Today, we're working on a worksheet that's basically a summary of what we've been doing this whole year. So it's a little recap, and I hope it will be interesting to you. So as you can see here at the top, the answers to all the questions are either 1, 2, 3, or 4. Okay, so that narrows things down a lot. You know that the answer is going to be small. The first thing we're working on is called PEMDAS, parentheses. These are parentheses. You say it. Parentheses. Exponents, remember, like there's a little number 2 or a little number 3. We didn't do much of that. Multiplication, that's times, and division, of course, addition, and subtraction, right? Minus. Addition is plus, and subtraction is minus. So what that's telling you is this is the order you have to do the math, even if it's not in the right order when you see it. So for example, in A, we're looking for, there's no parentheses or exponents, but we have to do the multiplication first. So here is the multiplication. And so we're going to do this first. 1 times 4 is 4. Okay. So then we said, then that after we're done that, we can go in order of left to right. So 3 plus 4 is 7 minus 4, and then you write the answer here. Okay, let me just show you that if you don't do it, in the correct order, and you do 3 plus 4 is 7, minus 1 is 6, times 4. Now it's 6 times 4 is 24, but that is not correct because you have to do this part first, the 1 times 4. So be careful, okay? Be careful. That's not the answer. All right, for B, again, whoa, this is crazy. You have 2 kinds of parentheses, right? These are parentheses. You have 2 parentheses. So we do the inside one first. 4 minus 1 is 3. And then we have to do multiplication. So we have 3 times 4 is 12, right? And then after that, we can do 3 plus the answer of this. I'm not going to tell you what it is. What's 3 times 4? And then 3 plus that. And then what's all of that divided by 5? Remember, the answers are 1, 2, 3, or 4. So if your answer is 24, that is not the answer. Get it? Okay. And for C, we're doing decimal points. We've already done that. So here we're looking at PEMDAS, but there's no multiplication. There's no parentheses, no exponents, no multiplication. There's only addition and subtraction. And so you can just go from left to right. Okay. If it were me, I would probably make a stack like this. And so it's easier for me to do it if it's up and down. But you're smart. Maybe you want to do it a different way. That's fine. Right? And then you can find the answer to this, and then 2.2. What's the answer to that? Plus 4.3, right? I would just keep going down. Remember to keep the point in your answer. Okay, that's very important. Okay, so that's how you're going to do that. Now, D is addition of fractions. We've already done this also, but again, look for things that are the same, like these 2 are the same, and these 2 are the same, and then add the whole thing up. Okay, that one's a little bit hard, but if you think hard about it and draw some pictures, like what does a half look like? What does 3/4 look like? That's going to help you, right? Draw a picture like this is a half. right? These are quarters. What is 3/4? Okay. So that's D. For E, you can also do this one. And again, add them up, just like I did with this one. Okay. All right, for F, again, we don't have any parentheses, exponents, but we do have multiplication and division. So we're just gonna go from left to right and just do it slowly, okay? So 567 divided by 3, right? Then whatever this answer is, right? Keep going, okay? So what I would do is first I would say 5 divided by 3 is this, and then you, right? Sorry, 5 divided by 3, and then the answer here, and then something here, and then minus it, remember, and then this plus this, which is the 6 that comes down. I hope you remember this, okay? And then you have to do this number divided by 3, and then minus the answer, and then bring the 7 down, right? Or you can use a calculator, which wouldn't be strange. Times 2 divided by 9 divided by 7 divided by 2. It's getting smaller and smaller, okay? So, and then for G, you really should know this, G, right? G, write the answer for G, okay? And then for H, it shows you here, so don't be afraid to just read the answer, okay? And then, right, read. And J, again, remember about PEMDAS. First, do the parentheses, okay? And then go left to right. Same thing here. Remember, divided by a fraction is multiplied by the opposite, right? So divided by a fraction, if you have something here, and then say whatever it is here, and then whatever it is here, and then that means multiplied by, and then you flip this and put this here and this here. Sorry, it's kind of hard to tell, but okay. Divided by a fraction is times the opposite. Okay. Number L, they're talking about this picture, right? How many right triangles are they? Right triangles. Remember you made the popsicle sticks? That's a right triangle. It is 90 degrees. Number M, remember all the answers are 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you have to look up, if you don't remember what a rhyme is, you could ask someone or look it up. Okay, again, here, look at the equal sign. What is the number that's missing? So first just do this, and then this should be figuring itself out with no problem. Okay, for number N, you have 1/2 plus 1/2. Again, draw pictures and figure it out, right? Draw pictures and figure out what could it be, and then put everything together. Okay, and then for O, you're supposed to know how to use a line here. Which one is the closest? Is it closest to 2, closest to 2.5, or closest to 3? What is close with the answer? This is minus. Okay, what is the closest one? And then Q, you're just gonna go in this order. First do this one, and then this one. And number R, pretty easy. If you can read it, just go slowly and read one word at a time and write the answer. Okay, when you're done with this, you keep it because you're gonna need it for the next thing. We're gonna play a game. So I might say like K, and you'll say, oh, that's number, and then you have to take action. Okay, so do a good job. Ice cream man's coming. Bye. Bye. Bye.